Hi, I'm Cassidy and I'm going to show you how to curl and style short hair. So we just cut her hair short and she hasn't had it short in a long time. So we're going to show you guys how to curl it because it's kind of hard when it's short. So first I'm just going to spray heat protectant. This one's Kenra in there. And then I am going to section it off. So one thing with short hair is your bottom layer is super short. And I don't do that at all. So the bottom layer you keep straight. So then you move on to the second layer. And you just keep that bottom layer straight so that it doesn't flip out. I'm just going to start over here by her ear. And this one is bedhead. I think it's like 1/2 inch curling iron. So you just want to curl away from her face. We're just going to wrap it and hold the ends out. And then once you release, twist it the way that the curl is going and just kind of pull it down and have it sit there.
Just to set it?
Yes. Just kind of helps with the style. Make sure that you hold the end out. Don't curl the end. And then pull it out and twist it. And then something that I like to do to make it kind of more messy is once I do 2 pieces in the front back, then I'm going to switch and start alternating. So I'm going to do this piece forward. And then I'm going to go this piece and I'm going to do it back again.
What does the twisting do?
It just kind of loosens it, honestly. To get this kind of loose wave style kind of helps so that it doesn't look super curly in the end. So I just kind of twist it and then pull it down a little bit. And then I'm going to do this one this way. You just want to make sure that you're keeping that bottom layer straight and don't curl it at all. And then do 2 in the front, going back.
It might be a good idea to wear one of those heat gloves.
You can, yeah.
This.
Yeah, when you're doing it on yourself, for sure. Okay, and then I'm just gonna drop the next section. So I like to do 3 sections. So that was my first one. And I'm gonna pull this top one up that I want to be my top section and pin it up. And then I'm just gonna start right here and just do that same thing.
Does that curling iron have a heat setting or is it just on and off?
It doesn't, yeah, it's just on and off.
Seems pretty good.
Yeah, it's working great. And you'll do about like an inch section of hair at a time. So now I'm going to do this one coming forward.
So if you were more in a hurry and you didn't have time to section off your hair, would it still look okay if you just kind of did it on the fly without sectioning it out, or do you suggest always sectioning it?
It will definitely last longer if you section it and make sure that it's all curled, but you'll still get the same look if you did it fast.
Are there any tricks to getting the curls to stay longer?
We're gonna put a texturizing spray, and then I like to use dry shampoo in my hair to kind of make it a little bit more of like a dirty feel, and that kind of helps keep the curl longer too if your hair is a little bit dirty.
So you do that after?
Either way, yeah, you can do it before or after.
What do you do if you mess up a curl?
You can just recurl it, yeah.
The same direction?
It shouldn't make a huge difference. Okay, and then drop the top section, and we'll curl that. And with this top section, I just do all of this side back and then all of this side back instead of alternating.
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to switch going the other way now that we're on this side. Okay, so we're just gonna have those sit and cool off before we touch them. So we want them to be all the way cooled off before we put anything else in it or run our hands through them. So we're going to wait for a second.
About how long are we gonna wait?
Probably just like a minute, just to kind of make sure they're all cool, especially these pieces that we just did in the front. Okay, so once all the curls are cooled off, they're all cool, they're not hot anymore. For this look of short hair, you don't really want like the curly look to it. So putting a hairspray in it isn't the best option. So more of like a texturizing spray. This is Bedhead. So what you're gonna do is just take your texturizing spray and you're just gonna use your hands and just kind of spray. This will work. Okay. Use your hands and just kind of hold it out as you spray and kind of fluff it up. And then in the front, up. Okay, and that's it. You just spray that in and put your hands through it. And you have textured wave curls for short hair.
Beautiful.